Hey, Francois here, founder and chief medical exercise specialist with the Pink Link. Just a short little video for those or anyone who can't sleep that knows about this. Here's what I'm talking about. What helps you sleep one night may not work the next night, right? So, in fact, having a set in stone bedtime routine can add even more pressure to an already stressful situation about getting better sleep. And especially if you had a not so good day, not so good week, or maybe not even a so good month. So as I mentioned in previous videos, this month, my focus is about recovery and also sleep because sleep is super important. We're into the fifth month of 2024 already, and maybe that's something that we just need, just better sleep. So I kind of mentioned about this workshop that I'm interested in creating, and yes, I am creating it. So that's why I'm doing things differently with this Better Sleep and Relax Recharge workshop. Because instead of giving you a routine or a rigid routine to follow, I'm actually going to give you a grab bag of proven habits that you can mix and match to create a bedtime routine that works for you. Because everybody will be different in terms of what their bedtime routine will be. So during the workshop, you'll find out about tips for winding down and relaxing before bed. And yes, daytime habits, actual things that you do during the day that can set the stage for a better sleep at night plus a customizable tracker to help you build and stick to your new routine. So my recommendation is this. It's trying out a new routine after the workshop, then adjusting it as you need. And definitely send me a message about what works for you. That'd be really cool. So if you're interested in attending this workshop, direct message me the word sleep to reserve your spot, and I'll make sure that your name is in there. And for the date, I live in Calgary, Canada, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Yeah, let's rewind that. So we have Victoria Day weekend coming up. So the workshop will be after that holiday weekend. So please follow me at theilerpinklink.com or Facebook page, The Other Pink Link, or YouTube channel at The Other Pink Link, and I'll definitely let you know about the date. It'll be after that. And the date I'll probably finalize by the beginning of next week. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.